Yo, what's going on, team? It's Raphael here. I hope you're all having a great time. I'm in Cyprus right now with my girl. Like I told you, I'm on a vacation right now. And the last week I was not trading. I was just, chilling, We had a good time. We had some good food. We were driving the quads. We were off-road and in the mountains and all that stuff. And today we want to go to the beach and make stand-up paddling and stuff like that. Maybe I'm gonna ride a jet ski as well today. Let's see. But yeah, I'm really enjoying myself, and for me, it's really, really important that I take some time off the charts because I cannot do this like each and every day. I need to relax and take my vacation as well. But yeah, today, guys, you already know what it is. It's giveaway time. So, yeah, we have like 6 videos where I told you in the free Telegram chat. You will find the link below this video if you're not in the free Telegram chat yet. Check the links in the description. And yeah, I told you guys that I'm maybe gonna drop a giveaway. But whenever I say I'm gonna maybe drop a giveaway on that videos, then you can be sure that I will make a giveaway on that videos. So for everybody who dropped a comment below the videos and supporting my YouTube channel, they can win something. Okay, today I'm gonna pick 6 winners. For every video, I'm gonna pick one winner who gets the Genius Trading Masterclass course, lifetime membership in the inner circle, plus $100 trading capital. And if the winner is already a member of our team of the inner circle, then he gets $250 plus a one-on-one mentorship call. Okay, and let's hop straight into it, guys. Let me copy the link of this video. We have like 500 comments. Yeah, a lot of cool comments over here. Let's see. Let's filter duplicate users. So whenever you're spamming the comment section, it makes no sense. One comment is enough, guys. For everybody gets the same chance to win something. I always filter the duplicate users to make it fair for everybody. Alright, let's see who we got. So the first winner is Barry Bertrand. Oh, thank you, sir. He said, I'm the best of all traders. Thank you, Barry. Make sure to drop me a Telegram message. Show me that it's your YouTube account, okay? And please show me that you can edit the comment that you have write. Like, show me a screen record where you editing this comment, because last giveaway I had a couple of guys who opened YouTube accounts with the names and tried to rip me off. But guys, I'm not stupid. I'm pretty smart, so I'm gonna double check before I send you something. So yeah, make sure to not waste my time, okay? Don't create YouTube accounts, cause I will always find out that it's not you, okay? Yeah, Barry, you got it, buddy. So the next video was this one, feedback from Victor, who flipped his 2 accounts. He doubled or tripled it in like 1 or 2 months. Very fast guy, very fast learner. I have a couple of comments over here. Yeah. Let me copy the link real quick. I'm gonna pick one random commenter who get the cake. Let's see who it is and how many commenters we have. We have 290 commenters, so the chances are high that you win something. Let's see. Oh, you got it! Ramere Turner. Buddy, you got the giveaway. You wish you win, and you won. Bro, congratulations. Make sure to drop me a message. You already know how to do it and what you have to do. Show me a proof that you are the one, okay? And I'm gonna fix the rest. Now we got another really great feedback from Michelle from Florida. Amazing feedback. I really enjoyed watching it. And yeah, we have a couple of really cool comments over here as well. And yeah, let me copy the link and let's see what we got over here. How many comments we have? 269. All right, let's pick a winner. Pierre Weisalta, bro. Show me a proof that it's you, and I'm gonna fix the rest, mate. Let's get it. And then we had this feedback from Angelo from Italy. A cool comment over here as well. Let's see what we got and who can win this. Oh, let's see, we have 265 commenters. It's funny how you guys are not commenting when I say maybe. So the chances are higher for the people who take the chance. That's cool. Okay. Layla Arthur, you won it. Congratulations. Make sure to drop me a message, and then we're gonna fix the rest. And let's see, we got one more. It is Nick from the UK. Really cool guy. Dropped me 8-minute video feedback to the course and everything. Like, wow. Some people say it's Raphael's doppelganger. Maybe because of the beard. I don't know. He needs some more time to grow his hair, but yeah, maybe he looks like me. But anyways, he really gave a great feedback to a great course. And yeah, if you have not checked it out yet, make sure to check it out and see what my students have to say. If you're not sure if you want to join or something like that, got a lot of video testimonials, and maybe they will help you to make the right decision. Let's see who can win this. Hakeem White. You got it, bro. Congratulations. Make sure to show me proof that it's you, and then you know what it is. Let's get it. Oh, guys, this guy is really crazy. Listen, this kid is 17 years old from Nigeria, and he flipped $500 into nearly $5 grand in less than 2 weeks after finishing the course. If you've not checked out his feedback, make sure to check it out. It's pretty awesome, guys. Pretty awesome result. And I got another one from Angel Guerrero. I will upload it this week. He just flipped a $50 account in 1 week into 6,000, nearly 6,000, guys, in a couple of trades. That was crazy. But yeah, for all of you who think that's not possible for you, it is possible for you guys if you really stick to the plan. If you put the work in it. I mean, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. You really have to be dedicated, and you really have to listen, learn, and then execute the plan, the game plan, guys. Really important. If you're not executing the game plan, if you're fucking around, if you don't treat it like a business, then you won't make any money. You're gonna lose all your money. Trade management and money management is key. You have to understand price action, how the price is moving. You need to understand a couple of patterns that you can trade. And yeah, and then you need to back test your strategy. Yeah, just walk the walk, you know. You're gonna learn everything inside of the Genius Training Masterclass course. But that being said, Samuel Wallace Mzuku, bro, you're the last winner of today's giveaway. Make sure to drop me a message on Telegram. And yeah, for all of you who are not inside of the Genius Trading Masterclass course yet, guys, check the links in the description, okay? Check their course curriculum. I really have a lot of stuff in here. It is nearly 100 lessons, and you will find a lot of strategies inside of here, and just everything you need to know. You know, everything you need to know. Plus, a really great community of traders who all helping each other. We have a great group chat. We're at around 700 people right now, maybe more, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's really worth it, guys. It's really worth it. And you have to check some of these feedbacks. On the side, you will find Angel's feedback, but I'm gonna drop it on YouTube as well. And yeah, check it out, guys. Check the links in the description and enjoy your time. I'm gonna go to the beach today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade this week. I will see. Cause I really need to spend some time with my girl. Um, yeah, for all of you who don't know, I'm kind of traveling around a little bit, you know, and my girl still has a job. She's like a trainee for fitness, you know, and she wants to finish her exams and everything before she can come with me traveling around. You know, we are still young. I'm 25. She's 22, turning 23, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, she got birthday in 6 days. So I'm gonna surprise her with something crazy. I cannot tell you right now, guys, because she will check it out. She will see it. She will find out what I'm gonna do. So I cannot talk about it. But I will keep you updated about what I'm gonna do. It's crazy. And yeah, I'm gonna pick up breakfast right now. And I wish you all an amazing, profitable week. Make sure to focus this week on one thing, guys. It could be one pattern on just one market, straight risk management, and then load it up. You know, load it up. If it goes your favor, load it up and manage your trade along the way with a stop loss moving, you know. But anyways, yeah, guys, let's cut the video right here. I wish you all the best and peace out, guys. Much love.